Ukubika Isisu, the Zimbabwean Ndebele customary way. If a girl got pregnant, certain steps had to be taken to report the pregnancy to the young man's family. She'll tell her aunt, who in turn informed her parents. The aunt will take her to the boy's homestead. They will sit outside in silence, no greetings, no smiles, just serious business. When approached, the aunt will say, "Sizobika umthwalo." We're here to report a pregnancy. The emissary will then ask for the offender's name and then report to the father of the homestead, who will in turn call his son to interrogate him on the allegations. If the boy admitted responsibility, the family would accept them in. In the early morning hours, the young man's father would present a live goat to the two women. The goat symbolized that the father and the clan were taking responsibility for their son's actions. The goat is then slaughtered and eaten merrily, and its skin will be turned into a carrier for the baby and ingcayo for the mother. When the baby was born, the boy's family would send another goat, imbuzi yokukhupha isithatha, to symbolically remove the stain of shame. And here's the twist. All this didn't mean they would get married. Marriage was a whole different process.